Good morning to all my dear students. Hope you all are fine. Dear students, in our last class we already discussed about adaptation in plants. Is it children? All of you memorize that one about adaptation in plants. That is adaptation children. That is plants or animals have the special character to survive its environment, to cope up with its environment. Plants or animals like organisms have special character that we call adaptation. Is it? That we already discussed in our last class. Let's discuss about adaptation in animals. Okay, adaptation in plants we already learned. Now I am going to discuss with you adaptation in animals, new chapter. We can categorize based on the adaptation. We can categorize animal into 4 types. Okay, we can check what are they. Some animals that are live in water, that we call aquatic animal. Is it children? Some animals which are live in water we call aquatic animal. Some animals which are live on land, that we call terrestrial animal, that we call terrestrial animal. Okay, and some animal which are live both in water and on land. Okay, amphibian, that we call amphibian, that means it live both in water and on land, water and on land, that we call amphibian. Then fourth category is some animals which are fly in the air, that we call aerial animal, that we call aerial animal. Can you say any example for these animals children? We can easily say aquatic animal, we can say it is fish. Is it children? And terrestrial animal it is elephant. Is it children? Like we can say any example. Then amphibians we can say frog, which can live both in water and on land. Is it? Then aerial animals, that is birds. Okay, so all of you clear? Dear children, can I ask some question? Will fish live without water? Then second question, have you ever seen a rose plant that is growing water? And my third question is, have you ever seen birds that can swim in water? All of you know the answer. It is no, right? It's no. You can blindly say it is no. Is it children? So now we are going to learn about aquatic animals, adaptation in aquatic animals. For living in water, animals need special adaptation to survive its environment. Okay, dear children, can you tell some aquatic animal names? It may be fish, turtle, whale, shark, frog, like that. Frog is an amphibian. Children, one by one we can explain about what are the different adaptations seen in aquatic animals. Okay, first when I am going to take about fish, we can see, check its body. Its body is like what children? Like a boat shaped body, that we call streamlined body, that we call streamlined body. Okay, streamlined body, that means its center part it's very broad, right? Then both ends are very narrow. Okay, this helps, it helps for this streamlined body, helping the fish to easily and quickly movement in the water. Okay, so when we are checking the other different animal in aquatic animal, when we are checking the aquatic animal, we can see different locomotory organs they have. That means for the movement they have. For fish, what children? For the fish, for the movement, fins. Okay, fins help for the movement in fish. Okay, and its tail helping for the backward and forward movement. Okay, then fish have scale. What is scale children? It is the scale helps for the protection of their body. Okay, and how they are breathing children? How fish is breathing? Fish is breathing through the lungs? No, fish is breathing through the gills. Okay, fish is breathing through the gills. And but dolphin and whale, it is breathing through the lungs. But frog, what about children? It is breathing through their skin. And you know about duck, how they are swimming in water. It has webbed feet. Okay, it has webbed feet for the movement in the water. Okay, these all are the different adaptation of aquatic animal for cope up with the water. Children, we can see number of living organism in the sea, and sea is the world's biggest habitat. Okay, children. So, which is the biggest habitat in the world? Sea. Okay. Then, dear all, you have to be learn the adaptation of aquatic animal and do one activity like questionnaire activity. You have to be write in the notebook. I will upload it in the WhatsApp. You have to be check it. Okay, that is who am I question. Who am I question I will give you, and it's like activity you have to be do. I will give some options for this one like turtle, fish, frog, like that, and I will ask the question who has webbed feet, who has fins, like that you have to be answer this question. Okay, children, so all have to be do this activity and read the topic very nicely. Thank you.